Just hold off on that for right now.
Alright, what the hell is this? What you got here? This is your car. My car? I said a drift car, not a ditch car.
You can push this around the track, maybe tow it.
Couldn't even tow that around the track. No faith. Oh, I got faith in you, but this isn't a junkyard, this is a garage. Tech, pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood.
M52 engine, no shit.
What did I tell you? Track my previous statement.
You know what? This will decimate all after you put about 15 grand or more into it. Maybe overnight some parts from China.
Yeah, put them on my tab on Amazon. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Got the M50 intake manifold. Mark the bits. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my intro video to Drift E36, my new YouTube channel, where I'm gonna be building this E36 up. It's gonna be a cool, fun drift build. So subscribe and check me out.